My name's Jay Mackenzie. I'm a lecturer in the psychology department and I'm co-module leader on a module called psychobiology, and that runs as part of the BSc course for psychology students. And this year I was asked to take over a seminar about the vestibular system, and sometimes the students can find that topic a little bit dry, but it's an essential part of their learning. So I thought, okay, well, how can I make this a bit more interesting? So I was thinking about the ways we can use technology in the classroom, and what I thought about is, well, every single student pretty much has one of these, a phone. So how can I use that in the classroom setting? So the first thing I thought of was these, which some people have maybe seen before or heard of. These are virtual reality glasses. These are a cardboard version, accessible to all. You can all buy these. I won't say where from. And basically what I wanted to do was demonstrate the functions of the vestibular system using these virtual reality glasses. So students were all asked to download two apps prior to the seminar, one of which was a walk-in app. So basically what they do is they download it to their phone, they put the phone into the glasses like this, and then they can view the app through the glasses like this. So the first app, what they do is they view it and they'll be walking around different places like London, for example. And then the second app is a roller coaster app, and they actually view the roller coaster and it looks like they are on a roller coaster, so the roller coaster starts to move. The reason I did this seems a bit crazy and illogical, but it is hopefully quite logical, is to engage them with a deep learning approach. So I wanted them to be quite engaged in the process. I did a little PowerPoint beforehand about the functions of the vestibular system, which is a little thing in our inner ear. Some of you probably know about it, others don't. And it helps us to orientate ourselves and give us balance. And we've also got other things in our body that help us do this, so our visual field and our proprioceptive system, which is our body basically. Now, the idea behind this app was showing that if you use the walking app, you are going to feel absolutely fine probably. Whereas if you use the roller coaster app, it can make you feel quite unwell. And so I asked the students after using these apps, how did you feel using each of these apps? And they said to me, after using the roller coaster app, I felt quite sick. And I said, okay, well, tell me why you think that might be, thinking about the information you've learned, why might that be? And thankfully, they all got the point of the activity and they all were able to answer the question. 28 of the 29 students that completed it said it was really fun. And then 28 of the 29 said that they felt that it did actually demonstrate the purpose and functions of the vestibular system, the proprioceptive system and the visual field. I got the impression at the end of the session that students really understood this and how this can actually be applied in the real life situation. So I think the kind of positive thing about this really is it really was minimal input and effort on my part. It took me, I don't know, 5 minutes to find these online, another 2 minutes to make my order, 2 minutes to have a look at the apps, each apps, and I looked at a number of different apps and that really didn't take me long. But what was really good about it was actually the funness and excitingness of the whole experience. So what I did after is I went round to everybody in my department and said, try these, they're really good, and everybody else liked them as well. So it was really fun and interesting for me to take part in this as well. And as I said, it didn't really take me very long. And I've been using other technology in the classroom and some that I wasn't as keen on to start off with. So doing, for example, mini lectures recorded, and it's something that I really didn't think I would enjoy at all. But actually when I got into it and I got involved in it and I saw the benefits of how I could actually use this in the classroom, it was really good for me and I'm definitely going to use it in the future. So if I can kind of summarise these in 3 words really, I would probably say fun, engaging and exciting, because they were fun for me and the students, hopefully, according to the feedback. Engaging for both me and the students, and exciting. If you're a little bit nerdy, these are quite good, I have to be honest.